Hello designers! Welcome back to the Planner 5D channel. I'm Virginia, and today we're going to walk through 4 different ways to create a niche design. These techniques will work in any room, but today we're going to focus on how to create a niche for a bathroom. Before we get started, in the description there's a link to a 7-day pro membership trial where you'll have access to unlimited 4K renderings, panoramic views, 360-degree walkthroughs, and so much more. I'd also like to start the new year off with a bang, and I kind of need your help to make that happen. I want to see if we can get this video to 200 likes, which I know is a lot, so I would really appreciate it if you could help me get to that goal. Alright, let's dive into the tutorial. For this first one, let's add a shower, and then a magic cube the size of the back wall. Next, you can customize the material. For this one, we'll use stone. Use the same material that you used for the back wall so that the textures match. Finally, duplicate the bottom cube, making sure to line it up, and then raise the levitation to create a gap between the 2 cubes. This will give you a beautiful ledge where you can place any decor or shower care items. For this next one, we'll start the same way as the last. Grab your magic cube and adjust the measurements to fit the wall, making sure to leave a gap at the end. From there, you can adjust the size and texture. Next, duplicate the cube and adjust the width and height to fit within that gap. Duplicate that layer again, this time making sure it's the size of a shelf. Repeat that step as much as you would like, making sure to raise the levitation each time. For this one, we're going to start with a bathtub and build shelving around it. Add a tall, narrow shelf on both sides of the tub. Go ahead and grab that magic cube one more time and adjust it to cover the edges of the shelves. Then pick any material you would like and make the height as tall as the ceiling. For this last one, start with another tall shelf and add in either a sink or a toilet. Then add a magic cube to fill the rest of the space. This is such a great way to transform what would be a boring bathroom into a stylish and functional space. Super easy to do, right? Let us know which version was your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to check the link for that 7-day pro membership trial. Oh, and one last reminder to like this video, please. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.